All right, now we are moving on to some other breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time as far as the Kolkata Doctors March is concerned. After West Bengal government, now the doctors seek answers from the CBI. They demand the CBI to quicken the probe. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you as far as justice for Devi is concerned. The ongoing protest of the junior doctor gets partially dissolved as they decide to resume their duties from tomorrow on Saturday, although the OPT and the OT services are still going to be suspended. But now the junior doctors are marching from outside the Swasthya Bhavan where they have been camping for. Now they're heading towards the CGO complex, which has got the CBI office in West Bengal. They are now demanding answers from the CBI to quicken the ongoing investigation. My colleague Shreya Mondal is joining me live right now to get us more details. Shreya, take us through what exactly are the demands of these junior doctors who have marched from the Swasthya Bhavan to the CGO complex.
We see that the march has begun from in front of Swasthya Bhavan. They are marching to the CGO complex. Now these doctors are saying that we will go to the CGO complex and we will ask the CBI how long is it going to take to complete the probe. Remember, this comes after the state has issued certain directives to that of the health department. The state has asked the health department to ensure safety and security of the junior doctors, and after that we see the junior doctor have decided to call off the strike from in front of Swasthya Bhavan. They were protesting in front of Swasthya Bhavan and right now they are going to CGO complex. Let me go across to one of the doctors. Come to you, what exactly will be the motto of this march?
So last time, if you remember, in our first visit to Swasthya Bhavan, we did it from CGO complex to Swasthya Bhavan. This time we are doing it reverse, so that we want to keep a reminder on CBI to fast track the investigation, because our number one demand was always on justice, and justice is in the hands of the Supreme Court and CBI. So we just want to give a reminder to CBI that yes, we are keeping faith on you, but please do fast track the events so that Abhaya gets her justice pretty soon.
So we see that the doctors have said that they will resume duties from tomorrow, but partially. Will the OPD and OT services will be resumed?
So this is actually, there is a SOP for us, because every department is not same. There are many departments in which emergency is actually essential. There are many departments where OPDs are more essential than the emergency. So we will formulate that accordingly. The formulation will be done based on individual department of individual college. That is an internal matter which is to be decided with the head of the departments and everything. They are with us. They have said they have welcomed our decision. But at the same time, I want to say that our number 5 demand on eradicating the threat culture, threat syndicate, that has not been fulfilled yet. So we are partially joining the duties. But yes, we have also said about an ultimatum. If it is not resumed within the next 1 week, then we may again contemplate on complete cease work.
Okay, so you can hear from the junior doctors here, they are saying that they are giving 1 week time, and within 1 week time, if there is no effort taken by the state government to end the threat culture, in that case they can hit back the street once again. I would like to show you the visuals. Look at how so many doctors have come out to join this protest rally. Remember, they have given a call to the civil society as well to come and join this protest. At this point in time, they're going to CGO, which is the CBI headquarters. They're going to seek certain answers from the CBI. They're going to ask for how long will it take the CBI to complete the probe, and after that they will decide the further course of action.
Well, absolutely, Shreya. Thank you for getting us all those details and the voices from the ground as the protesting doctors, junior doctors at that, who are marching now from the Swasthya Bhavan where they had been camping, demanding justice for Devi, the RG Kar doctor who passed away owing to horrific rape and murder. They are now marching towards the CGO office in Calcutta, which houses the CBI office, demanding the CBI to quicken the ongoing investigation.